KitGuru is here at CES 2026 and we're on the PC cooler stand. This is a company that has a long history of producing rack-mounted products for data centers and such, and they've used some of that knowledge and experience to create the SR700. This is an absolute monster of a chassis, as you can tell by looking at it next to a comparatively small full tower system. You can see the width of the front. You're talking about something that's designed to run at least 4 graphic cards. It's got multiple PSU bays in the base, so you can put 2 PSUs in. So you've got a complete fallback solution should you have a loss of power. Things designed with multiple drive storage bays, and you've got a completely modular approach to the interior. So you could effectively build 2 systems in there for different purposes, or one significantly large system with a sole purpose. The SR700 has a baby brother, if it can be called that, because it's certainly a full-size chassis, the C7M700. This is built with the same high-grade aluminium construction on the outside with a tempered glass front panel, and it can take graphic cards up to 420mm in length. And this would be, well, they say aimed more at the local workstation market, despite all the RGB and demonstration LCD curve panel cooling blocks. PC Cooler's continuing to develop its line of Threadripper coolers. These are standard air coolers, and you can, for example, pull out the fan and change it here if you need to clean it or replace it with one that's got higher RPM. And the same thing with the TS700D. PC Cooler's brought a range of new coolers to CES 2026. Starting from the right hand side, you've got a very simple block option with the 360 cooling unit, and they're expecting that to come to market somewhere around about £65-70. They're going to have a unit with a round display in the center. It's not showing the temperature and such at the moment, but it has got that capability. And you've got this one that looks like a wraparound screen, but it isn't. It's simply a graphic over the ARGB, and that'll be just closer to £100. And then the full-blown DB360 ARGB cooler, complete with wraparound display, is going to be in the market probably closer to 200. PC Cooler also keen to show the fact that they have OEM ODM capability. So normally you'd see a product from a company and it will be selling in stores with that company's brand, but they've got the ability to produce coolers and other such products for other manufacturers, for example system manufacturers, and they're working very closely with a large system builder in the UK at the moment to create custom/bespoke cooling blocks with LCD screens. A rather interesting trend has happened in the computer building realm in recent months, which is the idea that people don't need RGB or ARGB at all. They just want the good cooling performance, but they'd rather the system stay dark and quiet. And the RZ700D is designed to fill that gap. You're talking, well, according to PC Cooler, about high-end cooling mechanism with a pair of fans that should deal with even really high thermal situations, and this is likely to retail somewhere close to £55 in the UK. So we'll be pulling the more interesting of these products into KitGuru Labs in the months to come.